Ebusuya video I made it brave happens to be one of the most interesting video I have chanced on today on social media, and it happened in the church of Prophet Uche Ray House Chapel. Now, in the midst of the service, Oshenkofo Tribune come, a coin of us Oshenkofo come, and the date to sewo and conscienimuno. And a monk of what you come on social media. But person young to say now show video we go see the way. And I want so I drink chebi I want to bet me I drop one me comment section because commentable hono is overwhelming. I personally believe in prophecies. Yeah, I know say onyame kasa na a difference so hono mo a onyame dan he tell somebody echro mo in as much as e be so ngini no. I personally believe say we have prophets and with them onyame bi many reveal deep and secret things unto them. But this particular prophecy no emu oriam ebusia meso subscribe page ni mi adomane so me na me upload bi na wonsa ebetimaka mo mayen bura Ray House Chapel ni ko here prophet recruiting come sha or the man ko for me say we na fe wa dwen kire bi anso no wa drop me comment section dem am.
Young man, come and let me pray for you. Are you a happy person? Are you a happy person? Do you feel happy? You feel happy, right?
He said yes.
Yes, so you're happy, right? Did you have any dream today?
It was yesterday.
Yesterday. Can you share the dream with us?
Okay, so at the workplace, I was during week. Whilst I was resting on my desk, I saw a river.
It's okay. Lift up your two hands. It's okay. Wait, I'll answer question. I don't want you to continue the dream, but I'll let you come in. I'll let you pinch in. And I'll start talking about you. Okay. Now, your time is up for you to leave this earth. You. I don't know, but your time is up. There's a time up on your forehead.
Okay.
I've been watching the thing for the past 40 minutes. All what I hear is time up, time up, time up, time up. That is why I ask you, are you a happy person? Because say obi ube free we shall krano edika free umuti one kasano who feel sadness around you. One kasano say be how but only man the cry how. That is why I ask you that. Now listen. In Shobi Abidjan, there's a water in Abidjan, a water river in Abidjan. Miensa, na oyenta for miensa. Sense you no say, a water ufri, free Ghana, na ufri sa Cote d'Ivoire. Inti no oba be foul at the wako. Now, mamenka wabako sem. No kubu sa umami. Call your mom and ask her what I'm telling you after service. Or in between the service, call your mom. Ayabusa oma me say, wo or Ghana and also wo Cote d'Ivoire. 2. Nebusa oma me say, asambe no te ya. Bema on the wo be catch and say, wako baby. Na ye say owu ba bema bi ya. Spirit na say insuo na okosre wo free no ebe fa wo age obaba nti wo a wo gina we wo maame wo mema maako 10 kro mo nyina be fra sase so. The reason why you are alive, listen to me, the reason why you are alive is because you got close to God early of your life, at least the use of your life. Lift up your two hands. Let me pray for you.
Papa Mpacho, no shadow come no okabi fa Abidjan. And I may be saying, then only found or send papa or one no or no free or free Abidjan. It's a hot near woolly free years.
Wo papa, yes, or your papa, wo and your papa. Wo papa, wo you don't know your father.
Oracle.
If you are daring me, I will prove to you.
You have the fire, sir.
Because o papa anga so wo do ma mu wie no dwane. This a wo so e do obi kira wo so papa enye wo papa no. Ka kira ma me se mese enye wo papa this ani pa. Ja o ma me owo emema 10 no mu nyina be. Ebani ensure na o so da ye hu ye. How did you see who's who dey? Now o kan da ye o kan sure am say stop it. Then na hu.
No, I saw something like a.
Won't teach you. Professor me on the home. Camera for
a person how be sir.
What are camera for?
Yeah, so I saw a crocodile swallowing something, and it came to the edge and vomited it. And I saw a cat licking what the has vomited out.
You saw a river.
Yes, river.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
And the crocodile from a river.
Yes. Yes. And
vomited something.
Yes.
And a cat came to lick what the crocodile has vomited.
Yeah. Yes.
Oh, you are not clapping your hand for Jesus. Connecting the prophets. Prophesy oracle.
And then I'm who's also die. I'm afraid I said die ben also share with us. And then I'm who's also die. Share die with us. Obani, I'm a kind of show. Send your cat to the man like care at the end of the assassin. You were for assassin. But you can't be under this grace.
Jesus.
And I will allow you to go.
Never.
I make us a munchro. Oh, mammy, and I pori and rich. Oh, baby, to say a frog begro. Nami who say, you show to me now a wasa Abidjan hono. Of visiting oh, mammy. Now, of visiting a bond coco say. Emra so se wo omefa wo de wo ko se wo ni ma me ka se ma kire wo o ma me na wo samo mo ye emema miensa oba baako e na o ma me nyem be ma bi na owu woni yem e na o sa nyem be ma akwala ono so wawu afri wiase ono de oba asase so na okọ e na aka onko a ne be ma wo wiase into o time aso sa ya fa wo di fira asase so ko o ma men kan jo say ne baba ma wuda won't say unua ba ma bi wuda. Can you call your mom and ask your mom say that ben or wo ba ma na so wo akwala na say onyema ye ka so ye be ma owu ye what you did be brother what ko hoda
Yes.
hoda ma meti
So hona ne mame kasa e wo na eti.
Are you in this?
You are not celebrating the oil of the Lord. Jesus glorified.
Now listen to this. You are in a state of, you are a confused person. You are a confused person.
Okay.
Why is the prophet saying I'm confused? You are confused because you don't know who to choose to be a partner in life. True or false?
True.
Oh, come on, let's celebrate the confirmation of the prophetic word.
Because of that, a family meeting went on spiritually, and they have decided to send 2 witchcrafts, female, to come to your life. So for the past 6 months, a massive person. Girls are proposing to you. A man do a show. A man how? Obi po ananka wo na wo pen na wo fia for no ade ne ho aba. And what is going on?
Okay.
Ama one, a person is suma yare amount. 2, a person is ado back from Wabrabo. So we have to pray for you. And I have to choose a woman you marry for you. We don't marry because of beauty. We don't marry because of us. We don't marry because of color. We marry because of divine choice.
Okay.
Papa Pacho, na o send come na o ka say imabe man scholarship nyama nyama no go be friend. O see recently I did be a secret and one. Say a man is in a baby say how are you? Can I be your friend? Can I give you my contact? Can you come and visit? Can you she say I found the fella.
Soon ma de bi a ekoso. Inti mani trimu nyane de. Na ye fa eno so de number 4. Ye fa eno so de yare wura ni mu. Ye fa eno so abre na se. Please be seated. Let me pray for 1 or 2 people. Come, let me pray for you. Fast. Come. Run. Fast. Purpose is here. Fast. And then they fetch me. You can give me times why. Please. Go for free send me to give me times. Lift up your 2 hands. I want to pray for you. Look at me. Something happened. Bani and wo. DBC. Me and wo. There was a power battles between Papa bi baye me a friend Alhaji Fusaini. Na Alhaji Fusaini na down for ne wo papa. Tina omo ye namfo mienu omo nam. Fusaini Alhaji and Alhaji Abdullah.
Okay.
Now, Abraham omo namono. Ena intokwaba omo ntem. Eya o papa ko pe Alhaji Fusaini a girlfriend. Ena o ka chesa wo ade awaye. Me kire wo nyansa ba. Ena Alhaji Fusaini ko opanyi bi ana wa be ho. Nana opanyi no owo sabulugu a ewo tamale memu ana okọ mo okoye adwuma ade tia o papa eye mu manyina ana oso wo mma bi abawu omo bia ade ya aware ade ye ni gie ebi nsi abusua ni mu da ana ye ma no eniema miensa na papa ne ma no odwan ti ana ọma no kotreti ana ọma no kraman ti ana oye adwuma ne hyemu na ọka kire Alhaji Fusaini se onko beri saade no e wa asieye ana okoye saane ma ne nyina inti saade ya mekan akoso natie maba wura busua bi mu na me hu enkonya maako 7 na hu se emmema e wo mu ana emma enso wo mu na sonso mu awade ka kire me se me mmompan ma ye nua bae na ma mmompan ya ma na esansa Alhaji Fusaini kes na okokode ye na odi tia eye Mr. Abdullah emma no bibia ni wa anase oba bia ni wa busua ni ma obetima ware da o ware ebegu na me hu said no me na koso ababa be toso na nyame ogonkro se ye mompaye aye mbreki san no me no emfa fu so ayesa me nuaba wo be ware 5 ni nyina abegu But worry two ni na be. And now when why bibi o. And I say yes I wonya oba papa o. E ye no mi bi a o papa e na danfo bi a o papa ko pe na danfo ne mpena. Ah sad ye de course. I want us to pray.
Papa Pacho said the outcome it is true. Na nyama the endorse.
What do you know about what I'm saying?
Me Pacho binim say me mama e almost I dey high mama say na me mama you e na na epe me mama but me mama
Bonsem.
Me no oye between am. Me no oye between am. And me papa. And I instead of talking for the other man, no. And
on what quiet five. Are you here?
Nice, you take out. Come on, let's celebrate the oil of the oracle.
Mommy, if I try to say what catch you what them was saying. Can cry? Obi any. Now, when I quiet line, mommy, as a matter Romeo between her.
Oh.
Now Romeo quiet, what card enough? I dear me pal. Me na ma me pay. Romeo se marry.
Okay.
Now, nipa no call baby koya there was sabulugu specifically. My spirit is there. Thank God I have been able to uproot what they've buried. They've buried. No man that nipa me 7 so wo mufie. So ma me buy 7 in there. Moya 7. God, are you here, church?
You are not celebrating
Yes, we're free.
now who can find our real one say ebi anamu ntimi waro busie no mu and am be say no se na kaka kakre bi na ko be ware but up to now no onya ware here.
Onyame kokroko no.
Odifo, I want us to pray for this lady, eh? Church, can we stretch forth our hands towards her? Young girl, put down Sakoshu. Lift up your 2 hands. There's going to be a bad Wednesday for you. A bad Wednesday. Me want to say, young girl, we are going to Adriane, Kenki, the fish. Wednesday. King, me fish. King, me fish. Oji Jene bebre also. I'm just watching it. So shall I be. And now.
Okay.
Amen. Begenki home. Begenki. Huh? Feel free. Huh? Begenki.
Papa Mpacha na me bisa ne say Wednesday now can because when the oracle speaks it is final. And I me bisa no say Wednesday and ye wo no. Sia wo kan. Ne krada.
Something bad is going to happen. A bad Wednesday. Me who say one name kola me ansabi. Abema omu kenke ni nyina bi adi. Na me say enkola na me ansa nyina bi free. Who mema me ansa. Bad Wednesday. Bad Wednesday. A bad Wednesday. But if me will send me and send you now terminate you. After eating the kenke, in few minutes off. Na me will send nipa baby the chap mini about we worship. Na musu. No motia tiam say dia na esi. Tena on sa wo fi ase.
Papa o shan kom no o se ohun kola miensa and I me bisa me sister ne say ah den na fa nkola miensa and o so don kasa no ne mba eye miensa be man ko a.
Stretch out your hands. Look at someone say it won't happen.
It won't happen.
Say we will not agree.
We will not agree.
We will not allow it.
We will not allow.
Open your mouth and break it. Break. Close.
Jadala badaba rekatata.
Now.
Ya shadala badaba badaba. La katula badaba badaba.
Aquamini rasophobia.
Ya
Video, has it increased your faith to the extent of knowing say God can really reveal deep and secret things to prophet, and also God can use prophet to save people from death and also certain calamities? I don't know what is going on your mind right now, but Metro say the comment section is the best place a bit me how our adventure is. If I tell you Metro say drop a comment to a comment section, mame na for the mo subscribe page ni me adomane so send me apple bi anso na unsa e bit maka mde ni sike makra.